I don't know. I better keep my mouth shut.
Everything that they can think of now is.
Yep. Okay. Today we are doing lesson 4-5. This is called completing the square. Nope. Just kidding. There we go. Okay. I caution you to not look in the book right now. Okay. We're not going to use the book for this section. We will come back to it at the end of the school year. But right now, all we need is the basics. And this is actually kind of fun. We are really going to focus on trinomials. And let me refresh your memory on a trinomial. All right, if you look at number 8, how many terms do you see? 3. Look at number 9. How many do you see? 2. We're focusing on the kinds of problems that have 3 terms, okay? I know that sounds kind of redundant, but trinomial is way more involved than you would ever know. So, I want you to write down the following. X squared plus 16x plus blank. The directions will be write this trinomial as a perfect square. The middle term is key. What's the middle term here? 16x. I'm going to change to blue for a second. What you're going to do is you're going to take this 16. We'll do a little squiggly line. You're going to take half. What's half of 16? 8. Now we're talking about squares. So what is 8 squared?
54.
Guess what? That's it.
Wow, that's nice.
Told ya.
I'll learn this back in 9th grade.
Yeah, you've learned this before. We are going to finish this later on, but right now we don't need to go any further because we want to focus on the quadratic formula and making it nice and neat. Okay, does this ring a bell? Maybe? It's okay, but that.
Eventually, will we plug x in as a number and like multiply it in and then divide it by 2?
No. This is, all we're doing is we're trying to figure out what this C is.
Oh, so the numbers in the middle are going to be different. Okay. So
Yeah,
I
so-
thought that was like the
No.
actual equation.
Right.
Okay.
We're going to give you a number here. You're going to take half and square.
Oh, okay.
Your homework, that's all you're doing. It's an IXL, you're going to get tired of doing it.
I need my password for that.
Okay. Don't leave until I get it up to you. I completely forgot. Now there's a couple things we need to go over. You remember that ABC I just went over a few minutes ago? What is A here? 1. What is B? 16. What is C? 64. Just be aware, this middle term is your B. Okay? All this is going to come full circle. Okay? If you remember Algebra 1, you're going to start repeating things. Today, this is all we're doing. Okay, so let's do, I'll do one more. X squared minus 14x plus blank. All right, so let's do it together. What is the middle term? Sorry. Negative 14. What is half of negative 14?
-7.
Negative 7 squared is positive 49. Do you see why I went ahead and did the positive? Because when you square a negative number, what happens? Yep. All right, let's go back up to, and I'm going to change colors on purpose. I need my, I'll do orange. Okay, this is a perfect square. Look at this equation right here. I'm going to call this equation 1. This will be equation 2. What we've already done before is factor a trinomial, right? This is an easy one. You remember what makes it easy? There's no coefficient here, okay? I'm going to show you the old way, and now that we know the shortcut. All right, so here, let's factor this one up. Need to make sure. Okay, let's do our cross here. Let's do what we know. All right, I need factors of 64 that add up to what? 16. Okay, you should know them quickly. What are they? 8. 8 and 8. So to factor, you have 8 plus 8 times 8 plus 8. Do you see why it's called the perfect square? Which literally means 8x plus 8 squared. So down here is we do it the exact same way. So let's find factors of 49 that add up to negative 14. Factors of positive 49, you have negative 7 and negative 7. X minus 7, x minus 7, therefore x minus 7 squared. When you are done writing that, I want you to go to IXL.
Should we look now?
Yeah, I'm going to actually let you go ahead and start your homework assignment. It is on the Algebra 2 section,